So this recipe is grilled lamb chops with a mint and fruity couscous, and we're using lamb loin chops. So these are Northern Ireland farm quality assured lamb chops. So again, remember, whenever you go into your supermarket, retailer or butcher, always look for this logo, and that way you will know that the lamb that you're buying is of the highest standards that you would expect. So the marinade for the lamb chops is very, very simple. It's olive oil, chilli flakes, some shop bought mint sauce, and a little bit of garlic. And I just mix them all together, marinate the lamb chops, set them aside and leave them for about 10 minutes. But if you want to get maximum flavour out of that marinade, do it the day before, and that way you'll get so much flavour, and the marinade then starts to tenderise the meat as well. So the pan is smoking hot, literally smoking hot, and I want to get these chops into the pan straight away. Here's a sizzle. So just allow them to cook for about a minute on either side now at this level of heat, and then we'll turn the grill pan down and allow them then to cook for about 3 or 4 minutes on either side. The other option is that you can grill them underneath the hot grill or barbecue them. So once you've got a nice colour on the chops, just turn the pan down. Allow them to cook over medium heat. So we'll come back to that, but I want to crack on with the couscous. So again, the pan is nice and hot. I want a little bit of olive oil into the pan. I've got a whole red onion that's just very finely chopped. I want to fry it gently. And next we want to add some minced garlic, just 1 clove, and some chilli flakes. Stir them around. So here I have some couscous which has been already made. I've got 200 grams of couscous, and to that I added 250 millilitres of hot chicken stock. So stir that through the onions. I would say it's time to turn my lamb chops over. Now, I want to get some nice fruity flavours into this couscous. Try and get as much flavour in as possible. So I'm going to add some cranberries, about 80 grams. And also some little jewels, little pomegranate seeds, which will add so much to this dish. But also you've got that crunch in the middle of the seed, which just works so well with the couscous. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil over it at this stage. And the herbs that we're going to finish this couscous off with are some freshly chopped coriander and mint leaves. Okay. I think I'll just need a little bit of seasoning, some salt, and freshly milled black pepper. I'm just going to turn everything off and allow these lamb chops to rest for a minute or two. And now I'll just make a sweet and sour dressing to go with the couscous. I'll need a few spoons of honey, a little bit of olive oil, tiny little pinch of chilli flakes again, just for that extra little bit of heat, and then finally some red wine vinegar. Okay. So to finish the couscous off, I'm just going to drizzle some of the, well, all of the dressing over the top of it. Some wild rocket leaves to this as well at this stage. And then I'm just going to set the lamb chops on the top and serve it in the pan. And just pop the lamb chops on the top. finish off with a few extra wild rocket leaves. And if you have any dressing left, make sure you get it all over the rocket and lamb. So that's our grilled lamb chops with mint and fruity couscous. And don't forget to check out the website for even more delicious and tasty lamb and beef recipes.